Hi friends, so today I am going to make a very simple caramel pudding. This pudding contains less ingredients. So let's start. First, let's make the caramel syrup. Put 1/4 cup or 4 tablespoons of sugar into a saucepan and add 1 tablespoon of water. Keep it in the low flame. Within 10 minutes, we will get a golden honey color. If we keep it in medium or high flame, it will become brown color fast, but it will have a bitter taste. Now the color has changed to a light brown. Mix well and off the flame. As the pan is hot, the color will become dark even if we off the flame. Then add half tablespoon of water and stir well. When the syrup is combined with water, immediately pour into the cup or molds, or it will become sticky. Now the cups are ready. Next, let's prepare the batter of the pudding. Put 2 eggs into a dry bowl and just beat it. Then add 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence. It is optional. If you are not using vanilla essence, you can add 1 pinch of cardamom powder. Now add 4 tablespoons of sugar and mix well. No need to overbeat. If you need more sugar, you can add up to 6 tablespoons of sugar, and if you need less sugar, you can add 2 tablespoons of sugar. Add 1 cup of milk. All the ingredients should be in room temperature. If the ingredients are in room temperature, we can mix it easily. For me, 1 cup is 250 ml. Add 1 pinch of salt. I forgot to show it in the video. Strain it. Pour them into the prepared cups or mold. Now let's prepare the pan. Put some water and boil it. Keep a stand. I am keeping a stand and a lid above it. If you are using aluminium cake mold, you can keep it directly into the ring. Now let's keep the cup or mold. Just cover it with the foil paper. If you are not using aluminium foil, you can use a lid or a plate to cover it. When you are closing it with the lid, leave some space. Steam it in a low flame for 20 to 25 minutes. Check the pudding with the toothpick. Now the pudding is ready. If you want to serve it hot, you can serve it. Or let it cool down. Then after it cool down, keep it in the refrigerator for 1 hour. Demold it. So the caramel pudding is ready. If you like this structure, there are some tips to follow. The first tip is steam it in low flame. Second tip, cover with a foil paper or a lid. Third tip is leave some space while closing the lid when steaming. So these are the tips you can follow. For more details, see the description below. If you like this video, like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching.